How do I use the ZIF lever to install a CPU? Imagine you're about to upgrade your gaming PC and want everything to go smoothly. The ZIF lever is your best friend in making CPU installation simple and safe. First, locate the small metal or plastic lever next to the CPU socket on your motherboard. Gently lift this lever upwards. Then, pull it back until it stands straight up or is perpendicular to the motherboard. This action releases the pressure that holds the CPU in place. Now take a close look at your CPU and socket. Both will have tiny markers like a triangle or a notched corner. These markers show you the correct way to align the CPU. Make sure the triangle on the CPU matches the triangle on the socket or the notched corner lines up. Once aligned, carefully lower the CPU straight into the socket. It should drop in easily with little to no force. If it feels tight or doesn't sit flush, double-check the markers and try again. Do not push or force the CPU, as this can bend the pins or damage the socket. When the CPU is properly seated, gently press the ZIF lever back down to its original position. This locks the CPU into place by applying even pressure across the pins, ensuring a solid connection. After locking the CPU, it's time to prepare for cooling. Apply a small amount of thermal paste, about the size of a grain of rice, on the center of the CPU's heat spreader. Spread it evenly if needed. Attach your CPU cooler, making sure it's secured tightly according to the cooler's instructions. Proper installation and cooling are vital for gaming PCs because they help maintain high performance and prevent overheating. Using the ZIF lever correctly makes CPU installation quick, safe, and effective. It prevents damage to the pins and socket, which can happen with forceful insertion. This tool is especially helpful when upgrading or building a new gaming rig, making the process easier for everyone. Remember, taking your time and following these steps carefully will give you a stable, reliable setup that keeps your games running smoothly.